Alrighty, second video of the day. I'm coming off of Westbrook Road here on my bike. My bike's up there sitting next to a tree. I never adventured down here, a little path. I could hear the falls and never came over here and looked at this. So quite a long bit of falls from up there all the way down to there. Pretty impressive. It's a lot different when you're here live. You know, those rock faces over there are probably about a good 15 feet. So from there, 30, 45, 60, so 80 feet probably, or something like that, up to there, down to there, at least, if you can hear me. But hey, some other day I'll walk down to these parts here and down there and get closer. But there'll be probably less water going down the falls at that point. Anyway, enjoy the waterfalls here in, I'm in Whatley actually right now. Whatley. And about to go into Hatfield and then head back home on the bike. Alrighty, have a good one. Get another shot of them over here.